Hey y'all, it's Will, and I studied Internet of Things in Italy. So, what is the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is the concept of various devices being connected to each other through the Internet. And this isn't limited to smartphones and laptops. This can include the street signs down King Street and the airplanes coming in and out of Charlotte. And a primary focus of this idea is that the data involved can be sent between devices, which enhances performance for the individual as well as society and the companies using it. Who is using Internet of Things? Italian car companies like Fiat Chrysler are really ambitious of this idea right now because they can integrate it into their vehicles, which makes them more desirable as well as their technology is more cutting edge. And around the world, but especially in Italy, smart homes are becoming more prevalent. And it demonstrates especially how not just one or two, but four or five smart devices can work together and achieve one goal. Why is Italy using Internet of Things? On the consumer end, Italians, like any people, enjoy a more seamless, easier life because technology allows that. If it all works together, it's more compatible, it will make people happier. And on the business end, Italian corporations are able to gather more data, which is more money, more profits. And it also allows them to better understand their consumers. It makes their products better and it overpowers their competitors. Where is Internet of Things in Italy? It currently is worldwide. It's used in the United States, it's used in Germany, it's used in Italy, it's everywhere. And because it's accessible from a cell phone, a laptop, your car, and the stoplights you drive, like I mentioned, they could easily be on King Street using this technology. All of these devices are intertwined through Internet of Things. And in terms of Italy, it can be seen in the citizens, the businesses, and even the infrastructure. When is Italy using Internet of Things? Italy began acknowledging the potential of IoT roughly 4 years ago, so in 2016. As a result, as a relatively new technology, governments usually are very skeptical of how they can integrate new technologies. However, there are some countries that are very interested in new technology. They want to be the first to use it no matter what. And Italy, they got the ball rolling a little bit late, but they're getting there slowly but surely. But due to its convenience, IoT is being used worldwide, as I mentioned. It makes everything very seamless, very convenient, very enjoyable. And how is Internet
I'm
of
not sure
Things
I understand.
apply to business? In the age of information, data is absolutely money. And because of this, data companies and even kind of your old school manufacturers can capitalize on the newfound information and better understand their consumers. And at the end of distribution channels, you have your consumers who are more likely to buy the products that are compatible, that make their life easier, more seamless, and just enjoyable. That being said, price is a very big factor when it comes to purchasing these products because right now they can be rather expensive, and that kind of does deter some people. But that is Internet of Things in Italy, and hope you enjoyed.